find anything on the internet how to do this on a ZL1. I found plenty of CTSV pages that had it, but the ZL1 is different. This is installing a Mighty Mouse Wild catch can system on a 5th generation ZL1. Here's the instructions. Although it says you can run that yellow to the valley plate, you can't. So first thing you do, this runs to both sides. I don't know why, but somehow I named it the horseshoe. But it goes to both sides. It goes to the back of the valve cover over there. Goes to the middle right there by the oil fill cap. You take that completely off. You run a hose to the back of the valve cover. You see it right back there. I tie wrap mine so it wouldn't flop around and look so bad. And put it in here, in your intake tube. Mine, I didn't like the way it looked just sliding it on the factory piece that was there. So I went to Lowe's and I bought me a 3/8 to 3/8 hose barb. So it looks a whole lot better because the hose will butt up and didn't look like it's not supposed to be there. So you cap right here. They give you a cap. You cap this on the passenger valve cover. And then under there, you cap the valley plate and you run the small hose from the can to the blower inlet. It comes out and around and goes to the can. Now to put these on, it's cold outside, So what I did was I used a heat gun, got it good and hot, pointed it right down the hose into the throat of the hose, and sprayed WD-40 on the fittings, and they slid right in. Also, when you put it on, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there's a bracket that holds the can in. See it right there? There's a little bracket with a screw in it. If you put it on this side, it hits the ECM. So you need to put it to the inside so it doesn't hit the ECM. Other than that, it's pretty self-explanatory. Screw that in, put the hose on it, cut it like you want it. I made mine short because I didn't like the pictures that they had where they had a big old loop of hose right there sticking up. I don't know what they were thinking when they made those pictures, but to make it easier to get down into here with your hands or whatnot, you can take that 110 millimeter off right there and move the boost bypass solenoid out of the way. You can get your big hams down there, which I have for hands. So that's it. That's pretty much it. Don't know how it works yet. Hadn't fired it up. It's raining out.